Hey guys, it's Ashley the Mogul and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and if not, you know what it is. Drink your water. It's the summertime. It's hot outside. Have I drinking any water today? No, but don't be like me. Be better than me, okay? I want to show you guys some of my favorite Adore Me pieces to pack when I'm going on vacation, quick little flued out trip, you know what I'm saying? Holiday trips or anything like that. As you know, you need bathing suits, workout gear, undergarments, and things to help you pack lightly, okay? Don't forget to click the link in my description because you know I always got y'all covered. Who would I be if I didn't have y'all covered every time? Click the link that you guys can get your first set for $24. And let's get into it. I said let's get into it. Please. I'm working on aggressive tones. Oldie but goodie, my bra ball. Now y'all have seen this in my previous Adore Me videos. It's literally a ball where you can put your bra in it. I wear a 32D, sometimes a double D, so my bras need to fit in here. I can usually fit about 2 in here, but no more than 2. So just to give you guys an example, we're gonna get to this in a second, but you literally just cup up the cup, sit it in the bra ball, and close it. Who came up with this science? It's amazing. So I always like to take this with me when I'm going on trips, vacations, anything, even if it's just a quick little overnight trip or something like that. I always take this bra ball with me, and it has a cute little handle on the top. I'm obsessed. So moving on to some of the new things. This is a part of the Deandra bathing suit. So I'm going to pop a video up here so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. I got a 32D bra size and then an extra small bottom. Could I have gotten a double D? Yes. Now, as you guys seen in my last video, the body is growing, okay? It's growing. And a lot of things are changing. And I need a 32 double D sometimes. So the padding is nice and thick here. I wish I can feel it. It's soft. Like, it's so soft. It has a cute little ripple going on down here at the bottom. I love the way the back laces up because it gives like this cute little loop design. Now, let's get into these straps. To my girls with larger chests, when we wear bathing suits with the small little strings, even, you know, things with small little strings like this, after a while the weight pulls down and it hurts your shoulders. These straps are thick, okay? They may not look thick, but they're flat, which makes them wide. So instead of saying thick, let's say wide. The straps are nice and wide, and I love that because as I'm wearing it, even after the water weight gets in there, it doesn't pull down on my shoulders. Yeah, people don't understand. Having a large chest is a struggle sometimes. But I really love that these straps are nice and wide. Now to the bottoms. I got an extra small in the bottom. If I would have gotten a small, it would have been baggy, okay? Now, my favorite part on these is the little ruche in the booty. So cute. Not to mention this cute little floral design. It's giving summertime. It's giving we outside. It's giving summertime. It's giving we outside. It's giving... You can finish in the comments. Of course, when you go on vacation, you need bathing suits, okay? Whether you're getting in the water or sitting by the pool, sipping a mimosa, looking cute, you need a bathing suit. I always like to bring at least 1 2-piece and 1 1-piece. This Brindley contour, I got in a size extra small. If you guys see my previous videos, I have a couple of these Brindleys. Now, this pattern is so cute. The pattern is giving color block. It's giving fun in the sun. It's giving I want to be on a yacht, drinking mimosas with my sun hat with my friends. I love this design. Now, could I have gotten an extra small? Maybe. Now, the only difference is if I would have gotten an extra small, it would have fit better around my back, and it would have been like my waist would have been snatched. However, it would have been tighter around the chest area and tighter around my bottom. So I really just wanted to avoid that. Moving from bathing suits on to a little undergarments. Y'all, lately, and I've been trying to find the easiest way to say this, but lately I've been obsessed with period panties. Yeah, period panties. Adore Me has a line of underwear that you can wear on your cycle. Me personally, just to get into the nitty-gritty, I have very sensitive skin, okay? So after a while of wearing pads or tampons or anything like that, it does rub me the wrong way. So wearing period panties has actually saved my skin. If you following me here, has saved me a lot. So I really love, I'm obsessed. I love them. They have the lining on the inside. They also have different absorbencies. So they have the lining on the inside. There's no spillage. They do have underwear and thongs as well. I got a couple thongs, and then I have a pair of underwear, and then what we like to call granny panties, and then the boxer shorts, the shorties. I really like to wear the shorties because I just be scared I might have spillage. And honestly, I like to wear these when I'm sleeping or when I have to go to work and I know I'm working a certain hour shift or something like that. Then I wear these. But it's the pattern. I know, right? It's like, yeah. Of course, you know, you want to walk around during the day. You want to look cute. You want to have a couple of things that you can throw on. Workout fits. Yeah. Now I see why the girls be wearing workout gear just to be wearing it. Even though I did start working out, I started going to the gym, y'all. I started going to the gym, not because I feel like I need to like lose weight or anything like that, but I do feel like I need to get healthier. And while I'm doing that, I might as well be cute. So I got the Cora Cozy Sports Bra. I have wore this to the gym. I'll pop in a little video for y'all. And it also does have padding on the inside. Also, it's cotton. I got the Cora Cozy Sports Bra with this cute little snakeskin pattern. Double cross on the back. And then I got the Cora Cozy leggings. They have the little pocket. So sometimes I put my AirPod, my headphones little case in there, or my key fob or something like that. But it's the cutest little fit to work out in. It's comfortable. I personally, spandex, when I'm working out or walking around, it irritates me sometimes. Like, I just get hot and I start sweating. And I don't like that. But other than that, I love it. So I did grab a couple of these, and then I also grabbed another pair of the Alicia Ombre full leggings. So these leggings are what I like to call capri leggings. Like, they don't come up to the calf, but they also don't go all the way down to your ankles. Versus the full Lila Ombre leggings, they go all the way down to your ankles. So I wanted you guys to see what they look like on me when I'm working out, baby, and they are form-fitting, okay? Form-fitting. When you're on a trip, whether you're working out or just want to grab something real quick, they look good either way. Love them, okay? It's that double snatch spandex they got at the top. That's giving body yaddy yaddy, okay? It's giving snatched waist. I love those leggings. Love them. Even when I wear them to the gym, my boyfriend be like, it's giving snatched, ain't it? Yeah, I know. When you guys go on vacation or when you're going on a holiday break, I don't care if you're going for 1 or 2 days. You always want to make sure that you got some pieces that, for one, you feel comfortable in, you look good in, and that are not too heavy to travel with, okay? Don't nobody want to be paying for carry-ons and all that extra luggage and all that extra baggage. I know I don't. So when I tell you, watch this. My bra ball, bathing suit bottom, bathing suit top, bathing suit number 2, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I hope I gave you guys a better idea of, you know, vacation packing, holiday packing, birthday trip packing because it's Cancer season. Happy birthday to all my Cancers and all the other signs too. But other than that, I hope I gave you guys a better idea of what it's like to pack a couple of things, as well as my favorite Adore Me pieces for the summertime fun, as well as the hot girl summer trips. I ain't gonna say I'm outside, baby. I'm very much on the porch. Ooh, daddy, come get me. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got any questions or comments, some of your favorite vacation pieces that you like to add, don't forget you guys can click the link in my bio so that you can get your first set for $24. Why wouldn't you want to?
just